Hey everyone, welcome back to the Business Bar, a channel where we discuss different companies and break down exactly what they do. In today's video, we're taking a look at a company that started off a bit like a side hustle for the CEO of a major social networking giant, but now has turned into more than a $100 billion company. This is Square Inc., a financial services and digital payments company mainly famous for a little device that plugs into a headphone jack to accept card payments. But that is just one aspect of their entire business. The company was founded in February of 2009 when Jim McKelvey went to his friend Jack Dorsey with a problem. Jim was unable to process a $2,000 card payment for his glass-blowing business. The main reason behind this problem was that credit card systems were too expensive and complicated at that time. So together, they came up with a solution and built a prototype of their very first product, the Square Reader. The innovation led to a huge amount of interest and many investors started funding the startup. And in 2010, they launched their very first platform. With that, Jack Dorsey, who became CEO, and Jim McKelvey were now the two co-founders with a vision to change the entire industry. The purpose of the company was to enable businesses to accept card payments in a method that was easier to set up and use, had great functionality, looked good, and was much less expensive than the traditional ways. As the company grew throughout the years, they realized that there were a tremendous amount of solutions that their customers needed in order to thrive, which resulted in more opportunities that Square appropriately capitalized on. And 11 years down the line, they have vastly grown and have a number of different products and services in their portfolio. Square categorizes its business in two main segments, representing their two ecosystems: sellers, representing those that use Square's business product and services, and the Cash App, tailored towards individuals. At a high level, the seller segment provides an all-in-one commerce ecosystem that helps sellers start, run, and grow their business by combining easy-to-use software with affordable hardware that can turn mobile devices and other computing devices into payment and point-of-sale solutions. They combine software, hardware, and financial services to create products and services that are fast, self-serve, and elegant. Their sellers are in a wide variety of industries, ranging from sole proprietorships to multi-location businesses, and spanning geographies all across the globe. This segment contains 30 distinct products which are all monetized through a combination of transaction, subscription, and/or service fees. Their most popular products are the Square Point of Sale system, which is a general purpose software that can be installed into iOS and Android devices and comes pre-installed on their hardware devices. It allows a seller to name, organize, and take pictures of products, accept customer payment, and much more. Another product is their Square Magnetic Readers, which allow cards to be swiped, tapped, or inserted to accept card payments by plugging the device into a headphone jack. They also have the Square Stand, which turns an entire iPad into a full payment terminal and features a magnetic stripe reader. Stores find this much more attractive than holding onto a bulky, out-of-date piece of hardware. There are tons of other products and services that the company offers. Some tailored towards specific tasks, like Square Invoices or Square Contracts, and some tailored towards specific types of businesses, like Square for Retail or Square for Restaurants. A much more recent service that the company started offering to sellers is through Square Capital, which facilitates loans to qualified Square sellers. This is a very unique offering as it's extremely beneficial for Square sellers since banks usually don't offer loans of small quantity as they waste their time and resources and the return is usually not worth the risk. What Square does differently is that since it already has all the data from their sellers, they can use it to determine if they should extend a loan. What makes this process even simpler is that for the seller to pay back the loan, Square simply just takes a cut off their average card swipes for the store. So if the business is growing faster, there are more card swipes and the loan gets repaid faster. Now, to protect themselves from holding all this risk on the balance sheet, they also sell the loans in a lump sum to other companies and continue to collect the servicing fee from the buyer until the loan is fully repaid. Moving on to the other segment, the Cash App provides a similar ecosystem as the seller segment, but is tailored more towards individuals. The goal of Cash App is to redefine the world's relationship with money by making it more reliable, instantly available, and universally accessible. And just as the name suggests, Cash App is indeed an app you can download on your phones to take full advantage of. provides an ecosystem of financial services that allows an individual to store, send, spend, receive, and invest their money. An entire package all from one app. Customers can invest in stocks, buy Bitcoin, withdraw from an ATM, transfer to other bank accounts, and much more. The success of this app can be thanked all to their marketing play. On Instagram alone, it has over 1 million followers, which is huge for a single app. Its other social media profiles are also growing rapidly. Now, with this much innovation, Square still faces a huge amount of competition in an evolving industry. Their competitors range from smaller companies like Clover and Toast to multi-billion-dollar corporations like PayPal and Shopify. Square's main focus to help them differentiate from all this competition is to invest more in their ecosystem and build products and services that are cohesive, fast, self-serve, and elegant, while also improving their brand image and customer experience. Now, a major weakness in their business is e-commerce, a booming industry during the pandemic. They have struggled to implement this aspect successfully into their business in the past, however, hope to improve this in the future with their purchase of Weebly in 2018. That can be integrated to the Square Online platform, which allows customers to build a website and an online store. As Square continues to grow and adapt to the ever-changing needs of their customers, their mission of economic empowerment will continue to innovate an entire industry and help businesses and individuals succeed and grow in the economy. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you think about Square and their business. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you did not, let me know in the comments below what I can do to improve videos in the future. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.